Oh no. Oh, stop again! How, what? Maybe I have like no money. No money? No body. No video size.
Well, I do. I can send it to you.
Right. No. Yeah, what's through the middle?
We're fucked.
No,
by the way.
that's like no video.
Because we won't.
Yeah.
Now let's sit down and have a bottle of wine.
Just stopping because I have like no video.
Sit down and have a bottle of wine. It's like kind of there. The edge of the fire, which is gay.
I know.
But it'll be cool because after a while it will explode and we won't have a fucking clue when it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
So.
And it's because it's like an optical illusion because stick in front of it on fire, but you don't know if it's actually touching it or in front of it.
It's on fire.
Is it?
And it's just flame beside it.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Kind of what?
Did you leave the cap on though?
No.
Nope.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
That's it.
Oh.
Hey.
Come on.
No, that was something else. I think that was paraffin bottle actually.
Whoa!
Fucker, give me that bit.
Holy shit! It hit my foot.
The only can's still on fire.
The can's still on fire.
Zoom in on that can. I don't want to hollow out of it. It's not going to do.
That's the deodorant can. That's where the debris landed. Just there.
Edward.
Right?
We are right here.
That's where the fire is. That was amazing.
Still on fire as well.
It's like 2 minutes in as well. Holy shit.
It's still on fire inside. Look inside it.
It was quite perfect. It was just a bomb. Fucking hell.
That's amazing. Oh, I want another one.
77p of goodness.
It's only because it was totally threw away. Hadn't even been
The
like.
fire's just wrecked. It's still making funny noises.
That was amazing. I don't even know where the other drilling can went. It must have went. Look at like that bit of wood went fine. That's a massive bit of wood too.
I know.
The flame was like, you know, is it the Hiroshima bomb?
That's where the other bit landed, just next to Laura. Just over there.
Do you know the Hiroshima bomb? Is that what it's called? But it exploded.
Mhm.
It was like that. That's the one. It was like that. It was
The A-bomb.
It was,
Sweet. Shall we take a look back?